y'all, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be rinsing my wig that I did a review on in my last video. I'm going to be rinsing it red because I got tired of the blonde. So yeah, I'm just doing the dip dye method, and I'm using the Kiss colors in the color Mahogany Red. And yeah, so I have my boiling water. This water is so hot, as you can see, it's steaming. So you want to make sure it's really hot or else it won't work. That's a key in this method. And also, you want to make sure you spray your lace before you dip your hair. Spray it with some Got2b glue, about 3 layers, and make sure it's dry because you don't want your lace to be the color of the wig. That's just not going to look cute. So yeah, make sure you protect the lace. Yeah, and now I'm just letting the wig sit for about an hour. Just make sure it's marinated. This is how the wig came out. I was happy with the results. As you can see, the lace is still tan. It's not red. So yes, make sure you spray that lace. So I went ahead and installed the wig, and I like the way it looked on me. It's cute. Let me know in the comments how y'all like it. Now I'm just straightening it because you want it to be silky and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm just straightening it. Put some sheet oil on it because you can't go wrong with sheet oil. And yeah, this wig really straightens out really nice, and it colored really nice, as you can see too. So I highly recommend this wig. The link for it is in my last video. It's in the description box. Check it out. Now I'm just topping it off with some of this Sleek and Shine Fructis oil, and that's just going to make it look real nice and sleek. Yeah. Being as though the hair was like two-tone before, it came out looking like light red highlights and then dark red. I think it was just bomb. So now I'm just slicking my edges using some mousse. You can really use any mousse. Any mousse will work. My favorite is the Suave mousse, but I ran out, so yeah. But yeah, the Suave mousse is really good for me. But any mousse will really work if you manage it right. But yeah. So I just laid the edges down for about 15 minutes, and this was the finished result. I like the way this color look on me. I can get used to this color. Let me know down in the comments how you like it, and thanks for watching. Peace.